Introducing the 1485 kit, the implant surgery kit for mandibular posterior region. The 1485 kit is used for implant surgery in the mandibular posterior region with vertical bone resorption. The implant specification and position can be elaborated with digital planning. The surgeon can prevent damage to the inferior alveolar nerve even when the residual bone height is low, in case the surgeon places a one-guide template and performs drilling with the 1485 kit's round design drills. Also, the 1485 kit helps you to place from 4mm to 8.5mm short implants at proper depth and avoid any damage on inferior alveolar nerve. Try the 1485 kit when you need to perform a surgery in a mandibular posterior region.